Have you ever screen recorded your favorite movie and ended up with this?
Now might be a
Screen
really good time for you
recording
to get
can
angry.
ruin the quality, but
That's
what
my
if you
secret,
could
Cat.
reverse it?
Dr. Banner. Now might be a really good time for you to get angry.
That's my secret, Cat. I'm always angry.
Hold on.
So, how did we turn that blurry mess into crisp cinematic footage? Meet any video converter, your all-in-one tool, including AI-powered video upscaling. Let's walk through how to enhance your video like this. First, head over to the official website and look for AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Download the tool and install it. Once installed, open it up and import the screen recording or low-quality video you want to fix. Then, simply choose Upscale to 4K, and you can see your output resolution here. You'll notice a few more settings here. For best results, choose the Ultra model when enhancing movies or detailed content. If your clip includes a lot of faces or close-up shots, switch on the face enhancement option. It's perfect for restoring facial details. You can tweak brightness, contrast, or tone here too, under the video settings panel. Once everything done, hit preview to see a short enhanced sample. And when you're happy with it, click Start Processing and let the magic happen. And just like that, your blurry footage is now crisp, clean, and ready to impress, whether you're editing movies, gameplay, or YouTube content. AVCLabs Video Enhancer helps you create better videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video editing tips.